Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today we are working on part 1 of my 3D printed Ant-Man helmet. Now, I printed this on my brand new Elegoo 3 Max, which is huge, and I was able to print this in one shot. I got this file from Thingiverse from user HappyMoon. They did a fantastic job with this file, excited to work on it. Now, here it is. It did turn out a little bit bigger than I was anticipating. I printed this at 100%, but it's still way bigger than I think it should be. I later checked online and a lot of people like to print it at 90% or below the 100% part. So I'm just gonna have to deal with it. I printed this Avengers stand from Sentinel Props, where I do most of my stands, and I'm gonna use it for this guy right here. So let's get to work. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring down some of these really big layer lines and trying to sand it out. All right, first I'm gonna use the palm sander outside and I'm gonna bring down some of this material. Okay, so now that that material is down, we're gonna start with wood filler. This is the wood filler I like to use. Yes, I could use Bondo. I'm not using Bondo, just get over it. Okay, I'm gonna use a very thin, actually I'm gonna cake it on the top because that's where the thickest lines are, and I'm gonna sparingly use it on the rest because this new Elegoo 3 Max, oh my god, it is, it prints really nice. This the Neptune is just fantastic line, and the 3 Max is like the perfect size to do giant helmets like this. But it's actually fairly smooth already just because of the way it printed. So we're just going to use the wood filler sparingly. Okay, there it is. We're going to wait till tomorrow for it to dry. Alright, it's all nice and dry today. Let's get to some sanding. Alright, I'm going to start sanding. I believe this first one's 180 grit. We're just going to go through the whole thing like this. The other parts where I didn't use the wood filler, I think the filler primer is going to do enough of the work for us because, again, it printed so well that those layer lines are not as thick as they usually are when I printed these out on my CR10. So we're just going to do a nice little sanding there. Alright, so now we're going to hit it with that sandable filler primer. Gonna get it all over there, and then we're gonna do a little bit more sanding. Alright, it's all nice and covered. Next time we're gonna do more sanding, a little more wood filler, and then hopefully paint it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.